Hi everyone, my name is Jinal. Today we will learn about scope management. It breaks down into 5 procedures: plan scope management, collect requirement, define scope, work breakdown structure, that is also known as WBS, and last but not the least, establish change control. What is scope planning? It involves getting information required to start a project and the features that product would have that would meet its stakeholders' requirements. Total scope. The project team needs to define the features, function, characterize the product, service or result. In addition, they also define project scope that deliver a product, service and specified features and a function. Project scope plus product scope together define total scope management. Collect requirements. Every day we need to complete different projects. So how to collect stakeholders' input? The first step is to be clear on the project objectives. This helps project team members to be clear about objectives. The second step is gather stakeholder input. In that, the team should care about the needs, risk and the issues. Moving on, we will know define scope. It is the process of developing a detailed description of the project and a product. Why do we need to define scope? It is a need planning on the project scope aid to preventing scope creep. How to define scope? There are 3 steps we will take in mind. List project deliverables, establish project boundaries, that is in scope, out scope, understand constraint, create WBS structure. It is a tool used to divide project deliverables into smaller pieces, a framework for further planning, execution and control. There are 3 types of chart that we will look at. Intended outline format. It is an outline project of tasks to be completed. Organizational chart format. An organization is a visual description outlining the roles, responsibilities and relationship. Lastly, we will talk about free format. It is a freestyle chart. Why use a WBS? It adds discipline, visibility to project planning, basis for planning schedule, resources, cost, quality and risk. It is also useful in determining where and why problems occur. It is also helpful in project communications. How to construct a WBS? Include a subject matter expertise. Use a top-down approach. Consider WBS from a previous project as a starting point. Here are 3 phases that we have to keep in mind: project phase, design components and a work function sub-project. Lastly, we will talk about establish change control. It is a way that projects are conducted in an atmosphere of uncertainty. Plans must be made for dealing with change. Using MS Project for work breakdown structure. Here we will see the 5 procedures. Understand WBS definitions and displays. Enter summaries. Create the outline for your WBS. Insert the rows, numbers and column. Lastly, hide or show the desired amount of detail. This brings us to last step. Today we have learned about scope planning to determine interim deliverable and work to perform, organize scope into a work breakdown structure. Moreover, we should decompose the project into smaller and smaller pieces, assign WBS components, create the project by hand or use MS Project to create the WBS. Thank you. Okay, you need to first, third, and this WBS. First,